Now, fears of violence and possible unrest disrupted learning within the city and some parts of the country. With no official communication from the Ministry of Education on school operations, parents and school administrators were forced to make last-minute decisions. While some institutions remained open, others closed their doors as thousands of learners stayed away over safety concerns. And Musungu reports.
Learning was disrupted across parts of the country as Kenyans marked Saba Saba anniversary. The Ministry of Education did not issue any official communication on schools' operations, leaving learning institutions to decide on their own the best action to take. Some schools closed for fear of uncertainty and transport disruptions.
We expected it to be a normal school day, but due to fear from parents, we are seeing some of the pupils and also students have not reported to schools.
In Nairobi County, most schools proceeded with lessons as scheduled. However, institutions located in areas considered vulnerable to demonstrations remained closed over the safety of learners amid fears of possible unrest. In several other schools, only a handful of learners reported but were later picked by concerned parents.
Majority of those who reported early in the morning, some of their parents have been rushing to take them back home. So it has really affected our studies today. We are left with few pupils back in classes. So we are monitoring them. Also monitoring the situation.
Despite heightened tension in some parts of the country, schools in many other regions operated normally. Learners attended classes, teachers maintained their schedules, and the school day proceeded as per the academic calendar. And once again, the safety of learners was at stake as most parents opted not to bring learners to school because of the Saba Saba anniversary. And Musungu, KTN, Nairobi.